cover how to use the Payable Forms add-on to collect registrations and payments for your sports league. We'll cover the basics, but if you want a more detailed step-by-step of how to set up the Payable add-on for Google Forms, watch this video linked here afterwards. Here I've got a Google form that I've created for my local league's player registration. I'm going to click on the add-ons puzzle piece in the main toolbar and find the Payable add-on in Google's Marketplace so that I can install it to my account. Search for Payable Forms and click on Install. We recommend working in Google Chrome, and if you use multiple Google accounts in your browser, we recommend setting up profiles to keep your accounts separate, or work in an incognito or private browser window. It's a common issue for multiple Google accounts to interfere with the use of add ons. Now, with the add on installed to your account, you'll be prompted to confirm your user settings. So ensure your locale, language, and currency are set accordingly, as this will impact how the Payable add on functions. Once you confirm these, you'll see an example that shows how to format the prices on your form. When respondents complete your form, they'll choose any payable options you've created. And our add on works by tallying these chosen responses that contain a price and creating an invoice based on their chosen items. All right, now back on my form, you can see the questions I've created to cover all bases for registrations. I'm collecting personal information, payable registration, and uniform selections, and I've got a short waiver and agreement, and lastly, a donation question for sponsoring a youth league. Looking at the registration section in more detail, with my first question, I've given the registrant the option to pay in full or pay in 5 biweekly installments. With Payable, there are a variety of subscription and installment terms. For more details on that feature, check out this detailed video or the support article linked below. Then I've got jersey selection. I've added a nice mock-up image to each option, and the user will choose their jersey type and size, and this will be billed to them. Next, this transportation question again has another example of installments. This will bill the registrant weekly for 12 weeks if they're unable to pay in full at the time of registration. Now I want to customize the look of my form, so I'm just going to change up the appearance a bit. Watch this video linked here to see all the ways you can personalize your payable form. So now that you can see the basics of building a Google form, we'll do the quick payable add-on setup. Click on the add-ons puzzle piece again. This time you'll see the payable forms in your add-ons menu. Click and then click on Configure Payment Settings. These steps open the payable sidebar through which you largely manage the add-on settings and points of customization. In the sidebar, you'll see the Getting Started section. We just need to click through these setup steps to perform them. Auto Configure Form and Sheet connects a spreadsheet to your form to log submission and order data. Before clicking Sync Theme, you'll need to ensure your form is published and that the responder view setting is set to anyone with the link. Lastly, connect a payment provider and go through the login flow to connect your Stripe, Square, PayPal, Rapid, or Razorpay account. With those steps complete, you can now toggle the form on as payable. Click the Copy Responder link icon in the top toolbar to get your form's shareable URL, and now you can make a submission on your form to see how the invoices look and work. On the checkout page, you'll see the items I selected are added up to create a balance owing. And with the form in test mode, there are test cards that you can use to process a test payment. When you're ready, turn off test mode and share your form to start collecting registrations. Again, for an in depth setup tutorial, please check out our full length Getting Started video as shown here. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Google Forms and Payable. Thanks for watching.